Imagine a day when your inventory system anticipates demand, flags potential shortages, and adjusts itself effortlessly in real time. This isn't a distant dream, it's the power of AI in inventory management today. Instead of relying on lengthy spreadsheets or risky gut decisions, you can now use cutting-edge AI to simplify your operations and secure more strategic control over your role. Our AI for Inventory Managers course walks you through every step of integrating these advanced tools. You'll learn how to set up AI-driven forecasting models that reliably predict demand, giving you clear insights that let you avoid shortages and excesses while freeing up your most valuable asset, time. Our engaging video lessons, real-life job prompts, simulation exercises, and in-depth ebooks and guides make complex ideas accessible. You'll also have the chance to hear our expert insights through convenient audiobooks, letting you absorb key lessons on the go. As you build these skills, you'll not only become more efficient, but also position yourself as a sought-after professional who leads change. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Day after day, new content, case studies, and practical scenarios keep the course content fresh and relevant, so you remain at the forefront of evolving AI technologies in inventory management. Explore all AI for Inventory Managers training courses on CompleteAItraining.com and start transforming your approach today.